This is chapter 9, hypothesis testing. Make sure that you have the correct file downloaded and opened in Excel. We're going to be looking at two different parameters for hypothesis testing, one for the population mean mu and the other for population proportion p. In either of those two cases, the hypothesis can be set up in one of three different forms. It can be a not equal to two-tailed test for either mu or for p, or it can be one of the two one-tailed tests, either less than or equal to versus greater than, or greater than or equal to versus less than. In any one of these three different cases, we will have either type 1 error or type 2 error, and the actual testing is done in two steps. The first step is to compute the probability of committing type 1 error, which is p-value, and then the conclusion, step 2, where we compare the p-value calculated in step 1 with the level of significance, and then we arrive at a conclusion whether to reject the null hypothesis or not. And then of course we have to interpret the final conclusion. In the case of hypothesis testing for population mean mu, we'll use the t statistics and this formula for t, and then p-value will be determined either using this formula in case of a two-tailed test or this one in case of a one-tailed test of either variety. If it is a hypothesis test about population proportion p, then we have to use the z-test, and this is the formula for z, and then p-value must be determined using the normal distribution, and this is the formula for the two-tailed test, and this is the formula for p-value for one-tailed test.